know.
Tony Hawk ride. Skateboarding.
Whoa! He went fast as crap. I went snowboarding. Oh!
Success.
That was. That was good. That was nice. I don't know what happened there. That was a good. I know. Told me to go for the slam. Success. I hit a rock on the way there. Alright, let's try this. Yeah! Did that work good?
Yeah, it did.
Oh! That was cool. Oh, yeah!
Stuck that junk.
Right here. Right heel. Right heel. Ah! You actually had a pop and everything. Ah! Ah! Oh yeah.
Tony Hawk ride board. Already said that.
Oh yeah, you did. Ah!
I started losing my balance, but I was like, I'll go. Oh, you got it. You got it.
Ah! Really?
Try to get a kill for me.
Right in front of the camera.
I was trying to hold it.
Kickflip.
Oh. Yes.
Whoa.
That's a stick. That's a stick. I'm gonna toss the whole thing.
Alright.
Yeah, kickflip. That was perfect.
I know. Alright, is this our last trick? Ah, slipped. Ah, oh. That was sick. You had that jump.
I was trying to do it.
Ah!
Full blast it.
That's so mean.
Tanner, all your way to the back.
Yeah, I know.
Chug, just stop.
Best one yet. Counts.
Go forward.